breaking news from the world of neuroscience. Scientists are confirming what many have suspected. Your brain isn't always telling you the truth. Recent studies reveal that our minds constantly create shortcuts and fill in the gaps to make sense of the world faster. This process, known as cognitive bias, means your memories can be surprisingly unreliable. For instance, the misinformation effect shows that our recollection of an event can be altered by things we hear afterward. Think you remember every detail of a past event? It might be a story your brain pieced together from different sources. This isn't a flaw, it's a feature designed for efficiency. But it has huge implications for everything from eyewitness testimony to our personal relationships. The key takeaway? Question your own assumptions. Your brain is a powerful storyteller, but it sometimes values a good narrative over the literal truth. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into how your mind works.